All right. We are back. We are back. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. We are back on our London section analysis. You understand? We are back on our London section analysis. Let me share. I will share my screen real quick so that I will just dive into the analysis because there is no time. You understand? There is no time. There is no time. There is no time. If you are just joining us, let me know where you are watching from so that I'll give you a shout out. Mm. Let me know where you are watching from. Yep. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. All right, we are back. So we are going to do a top-down analysis. You understand? Then, good morning. Okay. Vanesto Banda. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? How was your night? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Good morning. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? I would like to know. Good morning. Where are you watching from? So, if I'll be waiting for you guys to tell me where you're watching from. Then we'll continue. Mm. Then before then, let me go straight to the chat because that is the main reason why we are here. That's the main reason why we are here. Let me go straight to the chat. I don't know which one am I going to analyze first. Mm. This is XAUSD. XAUSD is just going up, and this is SAUSD have passed 4K now. You understand? SAUSD have passed 4K. I don't know where it's still going because me, I'm expecting the market to reach 4K, then break to the downside. But I know quite alright that a lot of people are waiting for it to reach 4K, then it will break to the downside, to retrace to the downside. So maybe that's the reason why it break up. You understand? To stop a lot of many people out first before it will do whatever you want to do. But before then, let's go to JPUSD. Then I'll analyze JPUSD. From JPUSD, I'll go down to Euro USD. Then analyze those three pair. We'll analyze XAUSD, JPUSD, and Euro USD. You understand? That's what we're going to do now. You understand? That's what we're going to do. So first of all, let me go to JPUSD. Let's see what JPUSD is doing. Okay, on our screen here, this is JPUSD. This is JPUSD. All this one is the analysis I will do yesterday during during our evening 8 p.m. top down analysis. You understand? This particular analysis is the analysis we'll do during our 8 p.m. top down analysis. I was expecting the market to break come to this support level, then move to the upside, but he refused to do that. You understand? And again, I say if we see a break below this particular support level, then there will be a retest before we see another push to the downside. That is exactly what I told them on the live stream yesterday, and it played out the way I analyze it. You get it played out the way I analyze it. But let's still see what we can do on the chart this morning. You understand? So if you are just joining us, let me know where you are streaming from. You understand? Let me know where you are streaming from, then we'll continue. But before then, let me still go to the chart, then tell you guys what I'm expecting from GBP USD and Euro USD this morning. And if there's any pair you want me to analyze for you, just don't hesitate to tell me. You understand? Don't hesitate to tell me. So what exactly are you seeing on GBP USD? What exactly are you seeing on GBP USD? GBP USD is reversing from this particular area. Where are we targeting? We are targeting this resistance level because it will come on this resistance level before we see another push to the downside or it will break to the upside. So as you are coming, tell me where you are watching from, then I'll give you a shout out. You understand? Then please don't forget to like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people so that will be many here. You get? So, and if there is any pair you want me to analyze for you, don't hesitate to let me know. Don't hesitate to let me know. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm here to give you value, not to like do any other thing. I'm here to give you value. So this is what I'm looking out for. I'll go to the daily time frame, then we'll see how yesterday daily time frame closed. Mm, Good morning. Let me see. All right, Mr. Emmanuel. Good morning. Good morning. I see you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh yeah, get ready for your question. I will like take a question from you. You understand? Prepare your question and hit me so that we'll solve it together here. You get one. So let me go to right now. I'm analyzing a GPUSD, but I'll be waiting for more questions from you guys. You understand? I'll be waiting for more questions from you guys. If there is any pair at all you want me to analyze, just let me know so that we'll dive into it. Good morning, Beatrice. Say Sainore. Good morning. Don't be angry if I do not pronounce the name very well. Good morning. Good morning. I see you all. I see you. So just prepare your questions. You understand? If there is any pair you want me to like analyze on for you, you want me to analyze for you, just let me know real quick so that we'll go straight to that one too. You understand? But first of all, let me analyze GPUSD. You understand? So this is what GPUSD is doing. GPUSD has break below this particular support level that I marked out yesterday evening during our top down analysis live video. You understand? So this is what I said. I said if the market can be able to like go below this particular engulfing candle, this particular 4 hour time frame engulfing candle, then what we will see is the market will like come down, you understand, then go up, retest this particular resistance level before we see a push to the downside. Okay, Euro USD. I'm coming back to like let me just brush through this particular GPUSD, then I'll go straight to Euro USD. I'm going to like analyze Euro USD for you very, very fast. You understand? Let me just complete this particular one. Just hold on a bit. I'm coming back for that now like this. So I told them on the live stream yesterday evening, you understand that if the market, this is what I mark up for them, if the market can be able to break below this particular engulfing candle, break below it, then what we'll see is that the market will come down a bit, retest this particular resistance level before we see a push to the downside. And that is exactly what the market is doing now. The market have break below this particular support level that has been holding it down for long. You understand? Then what will be like what we will see from the market now is to retest this resistance level, because whenever a market break below a support level, the next thing the market will do is to retest, turn that particular support level to a resistance level. That particular support level will turn to a resistance level automatically. You understand? Then the market will retest the resistance level, then start going to the downside. That is exactly what the market do whenever it break to the downside or upside. And the same thing happen to the upside. Whenever it break above this resistance level, it will come down, retest the resistance level, then it will like take its move to the upside. That is what break and retest is all about. If you have been hearing break and retest, that is just what it's all about. It will break a support or a resistance level, go back to that particular support or resistance level, retest it before you see another push to the right direction. You understand? That's what you always do. So I'll go to the lower time frame, then I'll show you guys what the market will do. First of all, this is what I'll be expecting from the market in a short period of time. You understand? Adibin will come on this particular live video very early. We'll take a buy from here. You understand? We'll take a buy from here. Expect the market maybe target 1 to 2. You get, but we'll come very late. We'll come to the live video very late. And the live, I don't think we are late, but the market play out before we come. You understand? If not, this is where I will expect the market will take a buy from this particular area, because this is a bullish engulfing candle. We'll take a buy from the next candle, then maybe risk something like 15 pip. You understand? Risk like 15 or 10 pip. Risk 10 pip, then target 1 to 2. And if we play out clean for us, for target 1 to 2, just something like this, because this is what I'm expecting. The market will go to this particular resistance level, retest this resistance level, then before we see another push to the downside, or it will break and retest again before we see a push to the upside. This is exactly what we do. But the market have gone far. We cannot enter, like we cannot just jump on the tree like this. No, you understand? You cannot just come on your chart, see the direction of the market, then jump on it. There is something you're supposed like look out for. You understand? Watch closely. Let that particular thing form. Then you enter. Don't just enter because the market is taking a certain direction. You understand? So this is what I'll be expecting on Euro GBP USD. It will retest this particular resistance level before we see a push to the downside, or it will break. mm, Break the resistance level as it's pushing from here. It will break the resistance level, retest. You understand? Then we'll see another push to the upside. This is what I'll be expecting. You understand? If the market come to this particular resistance level and I see that it form an M pattern and I see a bearish engulfing candle, like just like this, just like this. If the market come to this particular resistance level and I see an M pattern from the resistance level, all I'll do, I will wait for a bearish engulfing candle, then I'll take a sell from here. You understand? To the downside. You get, this is what I will do if the market come to this particular resistance level. You understand? Then if it break above this resistance level, then I'll wait for it to like, if the market break above this resistance level, I'll wait for it to retest the resistance level. Then wait for a bullish engulfing candle from this particular resistance level. Then I'll enter for it, a buy to the upside, just like this. You understand? Just like this. Just like this. If the market can be able to go up, break above this particular resistance level, then I'll wait for a retest, then I'll join it to the upside. You get, just something like this. You understand? So one thing I want you guys to like take very serious is, don't just jump on a trade because you see that it's going to a certain direction. You understand? Make sure if you come on your chart, take your time. You understand? Analyze the market. If you miss a trade now, if you miss any particular setup, there's a lot more setup that you will see again. You understand? So don't just jump on a trade because you want to take a trade. Just take this particular advice serious. Take it very, very serious. Don't just jump on a trade because you want to take a trade. And take your time, analyze the market, know the direction of the market before you do anything. Good morning, me, Mr. Disney World. Good morning, I see you, my bro. Good morning, Disney World. Good morning, I see you. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on GBP USD. As it take a move from here, we'll miss this particular entry because we'll come on the live video late. You understand? It played out before we come on the live video, so we'll miss the entry. Since we miss the entry, we'll wait for the market to come to this resistance level, then we'll wait for an M pattern, then combine it with bearish engulfing candle from this resistance level, then we'll enter for a sell, or it will break above this resistance level because this is a strong resistance level that I marked for the longest. Can I ask a question since I'm just joining? Okay. You can ask. You can drop your question. You can drop your question, Mr. Disney World. You can drop your question. You can drop your question. I'll be waiting for your question. Good morning, boss. What's your overall bias? All right, that's what I'm saying. Just listen to what I'm saying. Then I'll listen to what I'm saying. See my overall bias now on GPUSD is, let me clear all these things so that I'll start it afresh. Let me clear this so that you guys will get me very, very clear. This is what I'm looking out for. This is what I'm looking out for. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. Understand? On a daily time frame, you see that the market will break below this particular support level. The support level that has been holding the market down, you understand, it has break it with this particular engulfing candle. So my daily bias now is that the market should set to the downside. But where exactly do you supposed to position for this set, and what exactly do you you need to look out for before you take this particular set is what I'm talking about. You understand? So I'm going to break it down to the my daily bias, and I hope you have get my daily bias on JPUSD. So I'll go to the lower time frame, then mark a resistance level out. You understand? Where the market will react from. You understand? Where you will look out for. You understand? To take a sell from. So I'll go to 4-hour time frame. You get on the 4 hour time frame, since the market have break below this particular support level, this is the last high that caused the breakout of the support level. You understand? So I'm going to mark everything out now. I'm going to mark everything out so that we will know where we can position for a sell or a buy. You get? So this is the low that have been holding the market down. This is the low that have been holding the market down. Then the market have break below this particular low. What I'm seeing is the market will retest. You understand? But what the market always do is it will first of all go up to clear the high. You understand? That particular high that caused the breakout of the structure. It will go and clear that particular high. And where is the high? This is the high here. Mhm. This is the high that breakout that puts the market below the support level. You understand? You mark it out like this from the 4 hour time frame. Then you switch to your lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. Me like this, I will like know the direction of the market from daily time frame, then go to 4 hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame. Then after I mark that particular support and resistance level out, then I'll go to 15-minute time frame to wait for my pattern to play out. You understand? Then whenever I see that particular pattern, then I'll take action. You understand? And I'll tell you guys that pattern. That's my strategy. That like what I always look out for before I take a sell or I take a buy. You understand? So this is the resistance level that I'll be waiting for the market to tap on to clear. This is the last high that I'll wait for the market to clear before I'll see any push to the downside. You understand? The market will like move like this. It will move, clear this particular high. You understand? Then give us something like an M pattern. You understand? Give us something like an M pattern before we see a push to the downside, because already the market have break below this particular support level. So this is what I'm looking out for on GBP/USD. You understand? So let's go to the lower time frame. If there is any opportunity for us to take a trade, then we'll just enter a trade. You understand? Then from there I'll go to like Euro USD to analyze Euro USD for our sister Beatrice. That's what I'm going to do. Like, do you understand what I said on JPUSD? If you understand what I said on JPUSD, let me see number one from you. If you are hearing my voice and you understand what I said on JPUSD, let me see number one on the comment section, please, so that we'll go ahead. If you understand, okay. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. So I'm going to like, okay, that's very great. That's very great. Thank you. Means you guys are following. Let me pin this here. All right. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That is great. That is great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame. If there is any opportunity for us to take a trade, then we take that particular trade. If you take the trade, I want you guys to take a screenshot. Even if you don't take that particular trade, if you get an entry, even if you don't take that particular trade, just take a screenshot of it and see how it's going to play out. You understand? And see how it's going to play out. Monitor the chart, watch the chart time to time, and see how it's going to play out. Let me go to 15-minute time frame. You understand? Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. As you can see, the market gave a bullish engulfing candle here. Then before we'll see this push to the upside, and this particular candlestick give like Adibin will enter for a buy at this particular area. This is where we're supposed to enter for a buy. Adibin will take a buy from here. Will for like hold the trade till they reach this particular, like will for target 1 to 1. No, 1 to 2. For sorry, 1 to 2. You understand? Will for target 1 to 2, then we'll opt it out. But this is exactly what the market is going to do. You understand? On the higher time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, this is the last high that puts the market below this particular support level. You understand? So this is where I'm expecting the market to tap on before we see a push to the downside. Although don't forget, I do this analysis from 4-hour time frame, and this is 15-minute time frame. You understand? But so had it been, if the market come down, you understand, a bit before this particular live stream live video end, if the market come down, give us like, let me go to 5-minute time frame. If the market come down like this and give us a confirmed W pattern, as the market move from here to the upside, if it come down to give us a W pattern, you understand, maybe from here You understand? If it comes down to give us a W pattern, then we'll look for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then we'll enter for a buy, and that will give us what exactly we are looking for. You understand? So I'll be checking GBP time to time to see if the market will retrace back down a bit, because I don't want us to jump on this particular trade. You understand? If we jump on this trade now, our SL will be very far. Maybe we'll be risking 20 pip. You understand? But let me check if 20 people be okay. Let me check if 20 people be okay. Then we'll take this particular trade, because let me check. If we enter from here now like this, if we enter from here, let me check 20 people. Let me check 20 people. Okay, this is 20 people, right? They will be targeting 40 people to the upside. Okay, this is it. This is it. But before then, I'll still do like, let me do a thoroughly confirmation before we take the trade. Okay, do you know what? Let's take a buy on GBP. You understand? Let's take a buy on GBP. Let's. I want you guys to confirm something. Let's take a buy on GBP. I'll take this particular buy, then you guys will see. We are going in for a buy on GBP. Going to use 0.03, 0.3. I'm going to use 0.3. Then I'll buy from here. Then my take profit, my stop loss. I beg, please let your stop loss be this thing, 20 pip. We are using 20 pip stop loss. We are using 20 pip stop loss. Then target 40 pip. That is 1 to 2. 20 pip stop loss. Then target 1 to 2. This is my own here. I've entered already. I don't know if you guys can see it very clear. I've entered. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I've entered already. You understand? I've entered already. You get? So you can take a buy now on GBP. Just take a buy on GBP. Then target 1 to 2. Your stop loss will be 20 pips from your entry, from this particular entry. So, and even if you don't take this particular buy, take a screenshot and come back to it and see how it's going to play out. You understand? Take a screenshot. Even if you don't take a buy, take a screenshot. Then you come back to it. Even if you don't take a buy, take a screenshot. Then you come back to it. So I've taken a buy already. Let's see how it's going to play out. So, which broker do you use? This is what I'm trading with. I'm trading with my Funded Nest account. I'm trading with my Funded Nest account, but my main broker is oh my God, OctaFX. I use OctaFX as my main broker, but this is a prop account. You understand? This is a prop account. I'm not here to lie to you, to anybody. You understand? This is a prop account. So, and we are up about $5 in profit now. You understand? We are up about $5 in profit now. So even if you don't take this particular trade, take a screenshot of it and come back to this particular video and see how it's going to, and come back to your chart later and see how it's going to play out. You understand? You can mark it out on your chart, then see how it's going to play out. You understand? I'm up $6 in profit now. You understand? $7 in profit now already. So, Mr. Beatrice, if you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. If you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. If you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. So that I will analyze Euro USD together. If you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. If you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. If you are still active, let me see number 1 from you. So even if you don't take this particular trade, just take a screenshot and watch how it's going to play out. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's very great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Uh Mr. Cheesy Benz. Cheesy Benz, you're welcome. I see you. I see you, bro. All right, let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD, Euro USD. You understand? Okay, this is it now. I'm up $12 in profits on GBP USD. Can you see? I'm up $13 in profit now on GBP USD. I don't know if you can see it. Is it 13, $14 in profit? So let's go. $14 in profit. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And this is how it's pushing. Let me show you guys before we go on. This is how it's pushing. This is how it's pushing. You understand? I'm up about $16 in profit now on GBP USD. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. EURUSD. All right. This is all the analysis we do yesterday. I'm going to clear all this particular analysis now. Then we'll do a fresh analysis. We are going to do a fresh analysis on EURUSD. Okay, first of all, if you come on your chart and you want to do a fresh analysis, go to the higher time frame to do a top-down analysis. Know the direction of the market. You understand? From the higher time frame, if you know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, then you switch it down to the lower time frame before you take action. You understand? So now, what are you seeing on Euro USD? What are you seeing on Euro USD? Euro USD break below this particular support level as well, just the way GBP USD do. Exactly what GBP USD do, Euro USD do the same thing. This is daily time frame. As you can see, the market break below this particular support level. And what is the next thing are you going to see on the chart? This is another support level, and the market is on this particular support level now. This is another support level. And don't forget, this is daily time frame. You understand? This is daily time frame. So we'll mark our support and resistance level here on the daily time frame. Then we'll go to 4-hour time frame. Let's see if the support and resistance level that we mark from the daily time frame correspond with. Okay, Beatrice, you are welcome. I can see you now. I can see you now. It means you are active. So this is Euro USD, just as you asked. You understand? This is Euro USD. Which broker do you use? Okay, I've answered that particular one already. The trade we take on GBP USD is $16 in profit now. But all right. You are actively active. You are aggressively active, and that's what I want. Aggressively active. You are aggressively active. That's what I want. You understand? So Euro USD, this is what I'm seeing on Euro USD. Euro USD break below this particular support level as well, just the way GBP USD do. But where exactly are you seeing Euro USD now is on this support level. You understand? And whenever a market comes to a support level, what do you expect? You must see a retracement to the upside. You understand? So I have sent. Let me see what you see. Let me see what you see very quick. I have sent Miss Beatrice. Oh. Sorry about that. Miss Beatrice. You're married already. Anyone. Don't be angry. Anyhow, I put it. Don't be angry. So this is what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. You understand? This is what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. Euro USD is on this particular, it break below this support level, and it's up on this particular support level. So what are we going to do? Or what are we going to do now? You go to your 4-hour time frame. You understand? I want you to get me right. You are the one that asked this particular question. What I'm seeing on Euro USD, the market break below this particular support level on the daily time frame. You understand? If you come on your chart, go to daily time frame, know the direction of the market, know how yesterday candlestick closed, then you switch down to lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, and here is 4-hour time frame. You understand? This is 4-hour time frame. The market comes to this particular support level that I mark on from daily time frame, and what are you seeing? It's bouncing back from this particular support level, but you are not going to do anything yet. You understand? Me personally, I'm not going to do anything. If you look closely, which particular high caused a breakout of this particular support level. This is the last high that caused a breakout of this particular support level. I'm going to mark it out small. You understand? I'm going to mark this particular high out. You understand? This is the high that caused a breakout of this particular support level. You understand? Let me okay. Going to all right. So I will like, since I've know the direction of the market, I know now that the market is on the support level. You understand? A major support level, because the support level is from daily time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame it corresponds with the one I will do from the daily time frame. Then this is the last high that caused the breakout of this particular support level. What are we targeting? We'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what euro USD is doing from the 15-minute time frame. Exactly, this is what I get. This is, I'm $23 in profit now on GBP USD. The trade will take on GBP USD. This is up about $23 in profit now. $23 in profit now. You understand? $23 in profit. Real quick, before I even come to this EUR/USD, let's see what GBP USD is giving us. Let's see what GBP USD is giving us quickly. Okay, this is the trade we'll take on GBP USD. This is the trade we'll take on GBP USD. I'm up about $25 in profit now. You understand? I'm up about $25 in profit. So this is, well, let me go to Euro USD now so that we'll continue. Go to Euro USD so that we'll continue. Okay, you come down to your 15-minute time frame, you understand, on Euro USD. And you come down to once you know the direction of the market from the daily time frame, then come down to 4 hour time frame to see if the support and resistance level that you mark from the daily time frame is they correct with the 4 hour time frame. Then you come down to 15-minute time frame. You understand? On that particular 15-minute time frame, then you watch out, like you wait for your strategy to play out, then you take action. You understand? Since you see that the market is bouncing back from this particular support level, all you need to do is wait for, like me personally, all I do is wait for an engulfing candle, and this is where I'm supposed to take a buy from. You understand? And if I'm on my chart this particular period, you understand? And if I'm on my chart this particular period, I for take a buy on Euro USD also. You understand? This is an engulfing candle from a support level on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? And if you switch to 5-minute time frame, you see that the market give a W pattern, and this is it here. The market give give a W pattern. This is a W pattern from the market before we are seeing the market moving to the upside. Let me deleting this. I'll expand the market charts. What? This is it. The market give a clean W pattern from the 5-minute time frame. You understand? This is the W pattern the market give with this particular engulfing candle. So this particular engulfing candle now will make me to enter for a buy. You understand? Immediately. You get? So what exactly are you seeing? The market is trying to go to the upside. You understand? But before you do anything now, you can as well enter for a buy. You understand? At this particular period, if you want to take a buy on the Euro USD, you can as well enter for a buy, because I've seen my confirmation from the 15-minute time frame. You understand? I've seen my confirmation from the 15-minute time frame. Then from 5-minute time frame, I see a W pattern from 5-minute time frame. And what exactly are you seeing? The market is going to the upside. So I would like us to take a trade on Euro USD also. Target just 1 to 2. You understand? And how many people are we going to risk on Euro USD? We are going to risk 15 pip. We are going to risk 15 pip on Euro USD. We are going to risk 15 pip on Euro USD. Is it? I'm going to take the trade also. And if you do not take the trade, just take a screenshot, then come back to it and see how it played out. I'm up about $40 in profit now on GBP USD. The trade will take on JPUSD. I'm up about $44 in profit now. You understand? So I'm taking a buy on Euro USD as well. I'm taking a buy on Euro USD as well because I've gotten my confirmation, although it's late already, but I know what I'm going to do. It's late already, but I know what I'm going to do. So taking a buy on Euro USD, then risking how many pip? 15 pip. I'm risking 15 pip on Euro USD. I'm targeting 30 pip. 30 pip is what I'm targeting on Euro USD. You understand? I've entered already. I don't know if you guys are hearing my voice. Okay. You guys are hearing my voice. All right, this is it. This is it. Real quick. I've entered. Even if you don't take this particular trade, just take a screenshot and see how accurate it will be. You understand? Even if you don't take this trade, take a screenshot. You understand? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this particular trade and see how it's going to play out. Take a screenshot. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. This is it here. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting, and this is what I'm looking out for. If you want to join us, you can join now before it go far. You understand? 1 to 2 is what I'm targeting. So let's see. JPUSD is $40 in profit. Euro USD is $8 in profit now. You understand? Let's see how it's going to play out. You understand? Let's see how it's going to play out. So I'll show you guys how to do your top-down analysis. You understand? Whenever you come on your chart. Rest assured, let me see what you said. Let me see what you said very quick. Let me see. Rest assured, we are hearing you. All right. That's very great. That's very great. So, see, hope you guys understand how to do your top-down analysis now. Like how to analyze your chart to know when to take a trade or not. If you understand the analysis we have been doing so far, please let me see number 1 on the chart. If you understand the analysis we have been doing so far, let me see number 1 on the chart, please, real quick. Then I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. If you understand, good morning. I see you. Good morning. Clyde Ikemefuna. Don't be angry if I do not call your name correctly. If you are following me, if you are following what we are saying since, let me see number 1 on the chart. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel, I can see you. Okay. Befelis, I can see you, miss. You guys are following. If you understand what we have been saying on the chart, let me see number 1 from you guys. I see you, my brother. I see you. Don't be angry if I did not call the name very well. All right. Means we are following. Is there any pair you guys want me to analyze? If there is any pair at all, this is the 2 trade I will take so far. This is the 2 trade I will take so far. This one is Euro USD. Euro USD is $8 in profit now, and JPUSD is coming down, which is $32 in profit, of which is reached $44 in profit. Then it's coming down now. I don't know why, but we are still holding. Then what again? If there is any pair you guys want me to analyze, just let me know. Let's check JPUSD. Let's check JPUSD. Let's check JP. Okay, this is what JPUSD is doing. Okay. This is the reason for the retracement. The market have reached this particular resistance level. You understand? And whenever a market reaches a resistance level like this, there must be a reaction. So don't panic if the market is reacting. There must be a reaction whenever a market comes to a resistance level, and most especially is a strong resistance level. So I won't be it won't surprise me if the market reverts to the downside, form something like a W pattern again from this particular resistance level, because it's a strong resistance level that I marked from 4 hour time frame. You understand? Daily time frame and 4 hour time frame. Just that the reason why we take this particular trade, we'll see that the market will go up to clear this particular high. You understand? To clear this particular high here, in this high here, we'll see that the market will come up to clear this particular high before we'll see another break to the downside. So I won't be surprised if the market come down, form something like a W pattern again. You understand? That will give it more momentum. You understand? That will give it more momentum. You understand? To break above this particular resistance level, because it's a strong resistance level from the higher time frame. So if there is any pair or any pair at all you want me to analyze for you, just let me know on the comments real quick. Let me know on the comment real quick as we are waiting for this trade to like play out before we take any other action. You understand? As we are waiting for our trade to play out before we take any other action. So I won't be surprised if the markets come down, form something like a W pattern before it's moved to the upside on JP USD. Then let's see Euro USD as well. Let's see Euro USD as well. Let's see Euro USD as well. Let's see Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Okay, Euro USD is pushing very okay. Euro USD is pushing very okay. Just tell me your favorite pair, then we'll go and analyze that. Tell me your favorite pair, then we'll analyze that. We'll do analysis on that. Tell me your favorite pair, then we'll do analysis on that. Tell me your favorite pair, then we'll do analysis on that. I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys. Tell me your favorite pairs. Tell me your favorite pairs. And what I want you guys to do is, even if you don't take this particular trade, take a screenshot of it. You understand? Please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Then you see how it's going to play out. Everything I'm teaching you guys here is out of experience. You understand? It's out of experience. It's out of experience. I don't just come on live video here to just do anything, to just do anyhow. You understand? Okay, XAUUSD real quick. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Thanks. Now I'm clear about the breakout in Euro USD. That's very great. Thank you, and I appreciate. I even thank God you get value from this particular analysis. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are up about $16-17 in profit now on Euro USD. Look at it. See the push. See the push. See the push. See the push. Okay, let me see the question from you guys. Let me see the question from you guys. Please analyze the dollar index as well. Dollar index as well. Beatrice, I'm learning a lot from you, especially the entry and still using my phone doing my analysis, which still confuse me. I'm grateful. Oh, that's very great of you. That's very great. Don't worry. See, I start with using my phone to analyze. You understand? I start from using my phone to analyze before I get a laptop. You understand? So using your phone is very, very okay. But come on the live, anything you are confused about, come on the live stream here. I do a top-down analysis every 8 p.m. in the evening. You understand? I do a top-down analysis. You can come on the live video every 8 p.m. to ask your question, whatever you are doing on your chart, using your phone to do, and you are confused about it. Come on the live stream. Just arrange the question. Come on the live stream and ask me. We are going to do it together. I don't want you to be alone doing that, because I know what I passed through doing everything by myself. So I'm not going to collect anything from you guys. I'm just here to like answer your questions. The one I can answer, I'll just answer, and the one I cannot answer, I'll tell you, please, I cannot answer this particular one, because what me I focus on, I'm not trying to learn all the languages on the chart. You understand? I just stick to one particular thing that I know that yes, it always work on the chart, and stick to that, and that alone. You understand? That's the only thing I do. You understand? So what I would advise you guys who are with me now here is, don't try to learn everything on the chart. You understand? Don't ever try to learn everything. Don't try to learn all the languages, all the grammar on the chart. Stick to one particular thing. Stick to your chart. You understand? Watch your chart every day and night. Then if you always stick to your chart, you must find something that always happen on the chart. You understand? You must find something that's always happen on the chart, then you stick to that particular thing. Make sure you back test and use small amount of money to like test that particular strategy. Stick to that strategy for, don't just switch strategy. Stick to that particular strategy till you build confidence in it. You understand? Till you build confidence in it. So that is what I want you guys to know. Don't try to learn all the language in the market. Stick to one particular strategy, study it, and you are good to go. You get study and you are good to go. So you are not alone. I'm here for you guys. You understand? I'm here for you guys, especially all of you guys. Mr. Beatrice, use your phone. Don't, Miss Beatrice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I always do this mistake. If not until your husband come and knock me, I will not hear what. If not until your husband come and knock me, I will not hear what. Sorry. All right, I'll just call you your name direct now, Beatrice, and don't be angry about that, Beatrice. I'll call you your name direct now. So XAUUSD, we are going straight to XAUUSD to do analysis on that also. You understand why? Please, what the account size are you using on you? Okay. That's very great. Let me answer you first. 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 Please, what account size are you using and your lot size? See, the account size I'm using like I'm trading with 25K account. You understand? I'm trading with 25K prop account. Then I don't over risk my account. That is just me. I believe in slow and steady. You understand? But I believe in slow and steady. You can risk any amount. That you cannot just copy my own. You can risk any amount you want. You can like over risk your account or anything. Depend if you can be able to like afford multiple accounts. You understand? If you lost your account, because trading is not something that will like, no matter how accurate your analysis is, you cannot just risk all your accounts. My own, I base on risk management. You understand? I manage my risks very very properly. That is the reason why you see me use this thing 0.5. Sometimes if I see that the this thing the like the strategy is very clear to me, I'll use one standard lot size 0.5, 0.3. That's the maximum I use. You understand? One standard lot size 0.5 and 0.3. That is what I stick to. You understand? I have a 25K account and I have a 10K account. So that is what I'm using. You understand? So presently I'm trading with my 25K account. You understand? But I'm not in the haste to make a huge amount of money. No, I'm not in the haste. I'm not in the haste. So manage your risk properly and you are good to go. Since the beginning of this year, I've not lost any account, and I have OctaFS accounts of which that is where I even put all my risk management. You understand? That is where I put all my risk management, because I've lost money to broker enough. You understand? For me to like come back to my normal senses now, for me to use my sense now, I've lost multiple amount of like huge amount of money to brokers. That is the reason for my proper risk management. This year 2025, I have not lost 1 naira. You understand, to the market. No, I can give you a history of my OctaFS account. You understand? Since the beginning of this year, I've not lost 1 naira. I'm not in a drawdown at all. Just that I don't do video about that particular one. The only one I do video about is my 25K account and my 10K account. My 10K account is up about $80. So I dropped that one because I'm in a little drawdown. Then I take it back. My 25K account is in a little drawdown. So I'm trying to like build it back. Then I will like increase my lot size. Then I will fire on. That's just it. Risk management is the only thing that will keep you going. If you understand me, then let me see number one. Amber Felix. If you understand what I say, let me see number one from you, please. Before we go on the live, on the this thing, on the gold analysis. If you understand what I say, just let me see number one on the chat from you. Mr. Ambex. Let me see number one from you. Thank you very much, sir. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's very great. Means you understand what I said. Means you understand what I said. Means you understand what I said. So take your risk management very, very serious. That is the only thing that will keep you going. And because let me see if this trade have reached 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1 will be around somewhere here. 1 to 1 will be around somewhere here. 1 to 1 will be around somewhere here. Then 1 to 2 will be here. Okay, our trade is approaching 1 to 1 already. Our USD, Euro USD is approaching 1 to 1. You understand? As you can see, this is 1 to 1 here. So let's go to XAE USD. Let's go to XAE USD. Let's see what XAE USD is doing. Let's see what XAE USD is doing. Okay. On our screen here, this is XAU USD. Good. This XAU USD. Who is the person that asked question about XAU USD? Let me see. Let me see. XAU USD. Who is the person that said I should analyze XAU USD? Where is it? Where is he? The person that said, okay, this is a Disney World. Okay. So we are going to do analysis on XAUSD now. You understand? So be like listening very carefully now. Listening Disney World. Okay, on our screen here, this is XAUSD. And just as I tell you, before you do anything on the chart, go to the higher time frame and see what the market is doing. You understand? So we'll go to, first of all, before we do that, this is the trade I take on XAUSD yesterday. You understand? This is the trade I take on XAUSD yesterday. So immediately I see this particular engulfing candle and it break above this resistance level, I enter a buy from here, and 1 to 2 is clean. 1 to 2 of this particular trade is clean yesterday, and I opt out because I'm not greedy. You understand? I'm not greedy. So this is what I'm looking out for. You understand? On XAUSD now. This is what I'm looking out for. Had it been on my chart, when I see this particular structure, when I see this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I will take a buy from here. You understand? From this particular support level, but I'm not on my chart then. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to daily time frame. You understand? Let's see what daily time frame is doing. Let's see what daily time frame is doing. Okay. So gold is been targeting 4K. You understand? And now gold have reached 4K. This is the 4K I mark out here. And this is 4K I mark out, right? So gold have reached 4K and it's still going up. So everything, all you need to do on gold is a buy. You understand? Wait for him. If you want to like join the trend to the upside, wait for gold to come to a major support level, then you enter for a buy. If you enter that particular buy, make sure you don't opt it out very quick. You understand? Make sure you don't opt it out very quick. But what I'm looking out for now, presently on gold, since gold have hit 4K, this is all-time high. This 4K, everybody eyes on this particular 4K. That whenever gold hits 4K, we'll see a massive drop to the downside. But now gold have reached 4K and even go above 4K. You understand? I'm not even give any sign of going to the downside anytime soon. So I'm going to 4-hour time frame to mark out a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? So whenever you come on your chart, go and mark a support and a resistance level out first on the 4-hour time frame. As a day trader, mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to wipe everything so that I'll do a fresh analysis. Okay, this is it here. I'm going to wipe everything. Let me do. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame, what do you see? The market is just trending up non-stop, trending up non-stop. What go do is retrace back down to 15 minutes support level, then you see another push to the upside. To retrace to the 15 minute support level, then you take another move to the upside. But since gold have reached 4K now, all you need to do is wait for a retracement. It will retrace to a major support level before you see any other push to the upside. You understand? That's what I'm looking out for on good. You understand? So on 4 hour time frame, I'll mark a major support level. I'll mark the major support level out on the 4 hour time frame. Then we'll go to 15-minute time frame. Then I'll show you guys what I'll be like expecting on good on the 15-minute time frame. So this is one major support level. There's a major support level here on good. There's a major support level on the 4 hour time frame. There's a major support level here, and there's another major support level at this area. You understand? There's another major support level here, and here again there's a support level. Here again there's a support level. I don't know. Let this my okay. All right. Here again there is a major support level. Mm? You just mark your support and the resistance level out. Then you expect the market to come, tap on it. Then we'll see. Then you wait for a reaction. You understand? You cannot just jump on it immediately. So see, if you come on your chart like this is how you mark your support and the resistance level out. Then you go to the lower time frame, then you wait for the market to like retrace back down to the support level, then wait for a particular structure. Me, I'll wait for the market to tap on the support level, then I'll see an engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, then I'll take my buy. You understand? And whenever you see that engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, go down to your lower time frame, which is 5-minute time frame, you see a W pattern. Whenever you see that particular structure, just enter for a buy immediately. You understand? Just enter for a buy immediately. Let's see what our trade is doing. Okay. Our trade is doing greatly well. Our GBP USD and Euro USD is doing greatly well. You understand? This is $50 in profits. On GBP USD, $50 in profit, and on $52 in profit now, and on Euro USD, $27 in profit. Everything together is $77 in profit. The one will take life here. You understand? So let me continue on XAUSD. As you can see, the market is like trying to retrace to the downside. This is one minor support level on gold. This is one minor support level, of which if the market comes to this support level and I see a bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to take a buy from here. You understand? This is one minor support level because God will try to clear this particular liquidity, come to this particular support level, then we'll see a W pattern on 5-minute time frame, then a bullish engulfing candle from 15-minute time frame, then we'll enter for a buy. This is exactly what I'll be looking at for today. You understand? During this London section to New York section, this is what I'll be looking out for. You understand? On good. You get? So this particular pattern, it always work. You understand? I'm going to like give you a practical example of this particular pattern. You understand? As you can see from here, the market come retrace to this particular support level, tap on this particular support level, and you see a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? If you mark this particular place out now and go to 5-minute time frame, you see that the market give a W pattern. Let me go to 5-minute time frame. You see that the market give a W pattern on the 5-minute time frame. You understand? This is it here. But the week here, this is when the market is trying to give the W pattern. You understand? This is where the market is trying to give the W pattern. You understand? On the 5-minute time frame, then you combine it with a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Whenever you see this form of W pattern from the 5-minute time frame, combine it with bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then you enter your buy position. And if you enter your buy position, target 1 to 2. My own is just 1 to 2. That is what I always target. You understand? That's what I always target. So I'll be expecting the market. I'll be expecting XAUSD to come on this particular support level. Then I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then I'll take a buy from here. This is what I'll be expecting on XAUSD, and my stop loss will be below this particular support level. You understand? Then target 1 to 2. Target 1 to 2, or I'm not going to like do anything. I'm not going to place any buy order or sell. I'm not going to set a buy order or buy limit. You understand? Till the market give me what I want. Give me an engulfing candle from here, because the market can come to this particular support level and break it to the downside. So I'll wait for the market to give me a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level. Then I'll enter for a buy. You understand? So Mr. Who asked this question? Let me check again. Who asked this question? Who asked this question? Mr. Disney World, if you are following, let me see number one from you. Disney World, if you are hearing me, like if you follow the analysis I do on gold, let me see number one from you. If you follow the analysis I do on gold, let me see number one on you from you. Please, 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 please. Then I'll be waiting for more questions from you guys. I'll be waiting for more questions. I'll be waiting for more questions. I'll be waiting for more questions. More questions from you guys. More questions from you guys. More questions from you guys. If you understand what I've been saying, let me see number one on the chat. From anybody, if you understand what I've been saying, let me see number one from you. If you understand what I've been saying, let me see number one from you. Let me see any type of emoji from you. If you understand what I'm saying, since let me see any type of emoji, either a fire emoji, 100% emoji, number one, or anything. Okay. Mr. Disney means you get what I said. You get what the analysis I'm doing since. You get it. That's very correct. You understand? So wait for the market to come to this particular support level. Even me, I'll take a buy from here. You understand? I'll take a buy from here. You understand? If I see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I'll take a buy from here to the upside, because gold is trending up steady. Gold is trending up steady. So let's see the trade we'll take on GBP USD. Let's see the trade we'll take on GBP USD. All right. Can you see my screen? Oh my god. If you can see my screen clear, let me see a fire emoji from you guys. I need a fire emoji from you guys. See this GBP USD trade. See this GBP USD trade. See this GBP USD trade. Oh my god. Just a minute. Like, let me see a reaction, a plenty reaction from you guys. I'll come in just a minute. All right. A fire emoji. Abel, keep it coming. I can see. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. See the trade that I call live. Keep the fire emoji coming. I see. Oh boy. And this is how we do it yesterday, London section. You see this London section analysis? Oh my God. Abeg drop your question for me, Disney. Drop your question for me. Drop your question. I can see. I can see. I can see. I can see. But I would like us to. Okay. I want you guys to take a partial profit. If you take this particular trade, then take partial profit now. Let's take partial profit before I answer Mr. Disney what. Please take partial profit. Take partial profit on GBP USD. Then leave Euro USD first. Take partial profit on GBP USD. Then leave Euro USD first. I'm going to take partial profits on GBP USD. I'm going to take partial profit. I've taken partial profit. You understand? So let's see. Android can grow. Wait. I'm coming for your question. Coming for your question. Very serious. Coming for your question. Let me see what you're saying. All right. Ooh. This is what I want, man. I'm learning a lot from you. Okay. That's great. That's great. Wait, please. Okay, this is great. Yo, yep, yep, yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love the energy. Okay, let me see this question. One question is, you use no indicator for your analysis except for the time chart differences. I don't see EMA, MA, RSI. Android can grow a $10 to $20 account with this strategy. Please, sir, start making video for beginners, like how to make place a trade, cancel trade, and price action. No problem. Can I grow a $10 to $20 account with this strategy? Clean, like just clean. You can do that very clean. And then once again, I don't see me. I'm just pure price action person. No indicator. No indicator. Nothing. I don't use indicator. I don't use anything. Just pure price action. That's what I use. Just pure price action. I don't even know how to use any indicator. That's the bitter truth. I don't know how to use any indicator. I cannot even find any indicator out. Even common Fibonacci retracement, I don't know. That is the reason why I told you guys, all you need to know, all you need as a beginner trader, don't just listen to all these grammars on the chart, all this grammar online. All you need to know is stick to your chart. Look at your chart every day and night. Make sure you find something that always happens. You understand? There is like issues. If you come on your chart, just look for something that's always happened, that you know that yes, whenever this particular thing happen on the chart, this is the direction of the market. You understand? Once you can stay and like study it to the extent that you can detect something on the chart and stick to that particular thing, study it over and over again, you don't need any indicator. You understand? You don't need any indicator. I don't use any indicator. I just pure price action. If I come on my chart and I see anything at all, if I come on my chart and I see that yes, market is taking this direction, I will know immediately. If I come on my chart let me just say, if not because I'm doing analysis for you guys, if I come on my chart within 2 minutes, I know what to do. You understand? If I'll take any action, I know. If I'll not take any action, I know. No indicator, no anything. Even common Fibonacci retracement, I don't know how to use it. Fibonacci that everybody use, I don't know how to use it. So I'm just a pure price action guy. That's just me. No indicator, clean chart. If you even see my description on YouTube, I is there. Let me check it for you. Let me read what I put on my description for you guys, on YouTube. Let me read it out for you guys. Let me read it out for you guys. Let me read it out for you guys. Okay, this is what I put on my description. Let me read it. Then just check what I put on my description. 15-minute price action trader. You understand? 15-minute price action trader. That is me. You understand? That's what I use. 15-minute price action trader. Bullish engulfing master. You understand? Because me, I'm a bullish engulfing master. Not be cho cho cho. No be, because I've given my time to put like to the chart to know what to do whenever I see that particular thing. You understand? Bullish engulfing master, clean setup, no indicator, nothing. Clean setup, no indicator, daily sniper breakdown. You understand? Tap in, watch and enjoy. You understand? Watch my video anytime I enjoy. No drag. No, I'm not bragging, no, and I'm not dragging. Nothing. I don't brag. I don't drag. I'm just telling you who I be. Do I look like somebody who brag? No, I don't brag. Engulfing boss. Yeah, that's me. You understand? That's me. That's me. That's what I always use. I'm not bragging, no. You understand? I'm not bragging. So ask me any question. Ask me any question. This is your question. Can I grow? Can I grow $10 to? See, if you can like stick to this particular strategy, you can grow any amount, and you're like you cannot even there's no way you will lose that $10. No, there is no way. There's a time I do a challenge when I start my YouTube channel new. I start a challenge of taking $30 to $300. At the like at one point I just use that money to buy a 10K prop account. You understand? And that 10K prop account is still there up to today. You understand? So with this particular strategy, once you can manage your risks very, very well, let me just tell you, it's not 100% accurate, but let me tell you, it's 80% accurate if you can stick to it. You understand? If you cannot do otherwise, just stick to it. You understand? You can grow your small amount to any amount. You can grow your small amount to any amount. Then what this question, what is it? Please start making video for beginners. And that is the reason for my live stream every day. Now like this, as I'm talking to you, my shop is locked. I locked my shop just to come and have a time with you guys here. You understand? My shop is locked just to come and have a time with you guys here. Ask me question. I'm here for you and you alone. You understand? I'm here for you guys alone. My shop is locked. If you watch most of my video, I do my video in the shop, but I don't want a distraction of which like person will come, give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. No, I don't want a distraction. I want to have a one-on-one conversation with you guys. That is what I always do. Yesterday during London section, I closed my shop to come and have a time with you guys. Today during London section, I close my shop to come and have a time with you guys. Tomorrow I'll still do the same thing. You understand? You see the sacrifice I'm doing for you guys. You see the sacrifice I'm doing for you guys. So if there is anything you are battling with, just prepare the question. Write your question down. In case if you forget, write your question down. Come on the live stream here, then ask me that particular question, and I'm going to answer you. You understand? I'm going to answer you clean and clear. That is the reason why I close my shop to come and have a one-on-one conversation with you guys. If you watch my charts, if you watch my video, you will see that I do most of my video in my shop. You understand? But I close the shop to come and have one-on-one conversation with you. So you have heard me. If you are battling with anything, Mr. Ibrahim, if you are battling with anything, just bring your question and we'll solve it together. That's it. I'm not bragging. I'm not even a bragging type. I know the phone. Everybody know me. I know the phone. I don't phone. No. What will I phone for? What did I know that another person don't know? Waiting I know where another person don't even know times 2, times 10 of itself. Then why will I brag? What did I have that person no get? Waiting I get where person no get. And maybe waiting I even get said na person breakfast money, then wetin go make me dey brag? Wetin I know wey person no know pass me, then wetin go make me come dey brag? Wetin go make me come dey brag? Me I don brag oo, not at all. I don live a fake life. But do you allow fundamental analysis like news NLP? On that news NLP, if you guys want us to go live, we will go live. You understand? But NLP can take any direction. Sometimes I dey predict NLP clean and clear. You get, and sometimes NLP you don't, your technical analysis don't work on NLP, although it works sometimes, but it doesn't work sometimes. That's how it is. So on NLP day, I'll still come on my live video here. I'll come on live video here to have one-on-one live with you guys, so that we'll see the direction of the market. We'll predict it together. You understand? On NFP. You understand? So let's see how it's going to be. Yep. But I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging. Mr. Emmanuel, I'm not bragging. I don't know either if it is bragging that you mean. I'm not bragging. I don't brag. Oh boy. Me, I'm bragging. I don't get hand for bragging. As a beginner, okay, let me see this your question. As a beginner trader, having $10 account, what lot size should be used? Okay. As a beginner trader, if you have $10 account, the lot size you're supposed to be using is 0.01. You understand? 0.01. Even that time that I'm trading that $30 to $300, if not because I want to like maximize my profit so that I can be able to buy a prop account, and for stick to just 0.01. You understand? Don't be in a haste to make money from the market. If not, you continue losing. You understand? Don't be in the haste to make money from the market. As a beginner trader, fund your $10 account, practice it over and over. Make sure you stick to your strategy. Then use that particular use that particular $10 to like build strong belief on your strategy. You understand? Use that particular $10 to build strong belief on your strategy. Risk just use 0.01 on your $10 account. Don't over risk it. If not, you just lose it and still fund again. You understand? Don't over risk it. Don't over risk it. Then this question again. So this price action strategy happen the same on all pairs, e.g. BTC USD, ETH USD, JP USD, indices, Meta, and Gold etc. This particular strategy, let me not lie for you. Let me not lie for you. This strategy, it works in every pair. You understand? Any pair you are trading, but I've never traded indices. You understand? I've never traded indices, but I've traded crypto. I've traded cryptos, and I analyzed BTC USD for somebody on my last. Is it day before yesterday? I analyzed BTC USD for the person, and I told the person that BTC USD is going up, and it's still going up. You understand? But one thing you need to know is how to do your technical analysis the right way, and what you're supposed to be looking out for. You understand? It's not compulsory that you use the same strategy that I use. I'm not convincing you guys to use the same strategy that I'm used, but I'm telling you guys that my strategy always give me what I want. Not always, but 70-80% of the time it gives me what I want. You understand? Not any strategy is 100% accurate, but at least 70-80% of the time it works. You understand? But that particular strategy, it works in every pairs. Any pair you are trading, just like always watch out for a W pattern, you understand, and a bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, and you are good to go. Just keep practicing it until you build trust in it. You understand? Keep practicing it until you build trust in it. So any other question? And if you understand me, if you understand what I say, just let me know so that we'll go ahead. Thank you, boss. Yeah, I appreciate my bro. Appreciate. Then okay, boss. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So any other question? Waiting for you guys to give me questions so that I'll answer. I'm here for you guys and you guys alone, nothing more. I'm here for you guys and you guys alone, nothing more. Let me see what our trade is doing. Yeah, it's still pushing, as you can see. It's still pushing very hard. Let me see Euro USD. Let me see Euro USD. Let me see Euro USD. Where are you? I will come outside. Okay. I'm the one that Euro USD. Let me see Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is still pushing. Let's see what is going to happen from here. You understand? Euro USD is still pushing. Going, boss, the JP USD. Oh, going very going massively. Just the way you say it, just the way you put it, man. It's going crazily well. It's going well. It's going well. Thank you, my bro. Thank you. It's going well. So let's see. Waiting for questions. I've spent 1 hour 21 minutes now. So I'm waiting for questions from you guys. Let me check the XAUSD if we'll take trade on XAUSD. Let me check. XAUSD. Somebody come on my this thing comment section that me I look broke. I look broke. Oh. As you see me like this, I look broke, and I'm even broke. I have a car, but I look broke. Yep. I have a car, I have a shop, but I look broke. I accept. I look broke. I have my own personal shop, but I look broke. Yes, I look broke. It's the one that is feeding me. Yes, I agree. I look broke. So this trade, this pair, it refused to come on this particular support level, but let it go. Let it go. I'm not pursuing anything here. Is there any question from you guys? Any question before we proceed? Any question before we proceed? Any question before we proceed? Any question? Let me see what you write, my bro. That's the kind of life I want. Low key life. I beg you. No copy my own. Just leave your own. No. Don't copy my own. Just leave your own. I beg. No, sha. It still makes sense. He said I look broke. That comment make me laugh. I look broke. True. I look broke. Oh. I even need help. I need help. I need help. I look broke. I agree. All right. It's reversing back from this particular resistance level. It's reversing back. Euro USD is reversing back. Euro USD, GPUSD is reversing back. So let's see. Please, if you take this particular trade, let's put it on break even now. If you take GBP USD trade, let's put it on break even. Let me see. Before then, let me see for our time frame. You cannot just. Let me see for our time frame. If we are the safer side, just leave it open. Leave it. Don't put it on break even. Leave it open. If you like, let it stop us out. But please risk what you can afford to lose. That's just all. Leave the trade open. Don't put it on break even. Let our target be 1 to 2. Don't put it on break even. Let our target be 1 to 2. Don't put it on break even. It might come down to this particular support level, then move up again. It might come down to this particular support level, then move up. Don't put it on break even. Just leave it open. We are at the safer side. Don't put it on break even. At all, sef, don't put it on break even. From what I'm seeing, don't put it on break even. See 1 hour bullish engulfing candle. See another strong candlestick to the upside. So the like it will just do a little retracement to the downside, then move up. So don't put it on break even. Don't put it on break even. Let it go. Let it go. We are going to hold it to New York section. You understand? We are going to hold it to New York section. Let me see Euro US. Let me see this your question first before I go ahead. I will study my chart, then flood you with questions tomorrow or next time. No, see, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. No worry. Just hit me. Hit me with your question. I'm ready. Hit me with your questions. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. See, there's something I noticed from you guys. You guys are ready to learn. It's not, you guys are not like those ones that come for just give away and the rest. No. You guys are ready to learn. You guys are ready to learn. That's one thing I'm seeing. In some people will just come for just giveaway. They will just check if you are trying to do giveaway, then they will stay. But if there is no giveaway, then they will go. But you guys are ready to learn. I'm very, very happy. You guys are ready to learn. I'm very happy. Disney World, I'll be expecting a question from you tomorrow, or maybe in the evening during our top-down analysis. If you can bring that question during our top-down analysis, just that if there is no light, there won't be that live video will not host. You understand? If there is no light, that if there is no NEPA, we cannot go live. But if there is NEPA, we can go live. You understand? I'm trying to like install solar first. I'm trying to install solar so that nothing will be obstructing our live video. Yes, I'm trying to install solar. So I'll be waiting for your question and I'll be ready for you. That's it, man. That's it. Active. All right. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Just leave your GPUSD open. Our 1 to 2 will be like, since you have taken partial profit, let the remaining one take profit. Since if you take the trade, since you have taken partial profit, then let the remaining one run. Let the remaining one run. Okay, let me see this your question again. Let me see this your question. Since we are in Nigeria, what time do London and New York section start in our time? London section start from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. You understand? Like there is a time they change it from 9 a.m. There is a time they change London section from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. You understand? So London section now start from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then it will continue till 1 p.m. You understand? Then New York section starts. You understand? During our time, for our own time here in Nigeria, London section start from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then from 8 to 8. What am I saying? Am I confused? From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. London section starts. You understand? Then till 1 p.m. afternoon. You understand? 1 p.m. Then New York section starts. New York section will start from 9 p.m. till what time before is it Disney section? I be which one again? I don't pay attention to that particular one. I trade only on London section and New York section. That's all. Anything 3 to 4 p.m. I'm off the chart. You understand? Anything 3 to 4 p.m. I'm off the chart. You understand? So London section start from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Then stay till 1 o'clock. That is 1 p.m. Then New York section starts from there. You You understand? That's the reason why you see a strong move on during 1 o'clock to 1:30. You understand? You see a news spike. You understand? New this thing charts move very fast that particular period because it's a switch from London section to New York section that particular period. So that's it. Mm. I don't know if I answer you correctly. I don't know if I answer you correctly. If you get it, let me see a reaction from you. Disney World. If you understand the question, the answer that I gave, let me see a question from you. Let me see a reply from you. Mm. Let me see a reply if you understand what I say. Let me see a reply if you understand what I say. London section start from 8 to 9 a.m. then stop at 1 p.m. You understand? Then New York section start from 1 p.m. down to evening. But anything 3 to 4, I'm off the chart. Any particular trade that I take, I opt it out before 4 o'clock because during that evening time, there is no much this thing. The chart is no longer active. You understand? The way I want. There is no much volatility in the chart during evening time. You understand? So if I answer your question, if you understand, let me know. Or if you want me to explain more, let me know. If you want me to explain more, let me know. Disney World, I'm waiting for you. Active, okay. All right. That is great. That's great. That's great. Means you get what I say. Means you get what I say. Means you get what I say. Which means you get what I say. From 8 to 9, London session starts. Then till 1 o'clock, New York session starts. That's it. So, any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other question? This is 1 hour 32 minutes now. But I don't even mind staying all day with you guys. I don't mind staying all days with you guys. Let's see USD JPY very quick. USD JPY very quick. USD JPY very quick. USD JPY very quick. Okay, what's happening? All right, you understand. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Thank you so much. That's very great. That's very great. So let's check. If there's any pair you want us to analyze again, just let me know. If there's any pair you want us to analyze again, just let me know so that we'll go ahead. If there is any pair you want us to analyze again, just let me know. I'll be waiting for your questions. Okay. I think okay during London session yesterday, this is a trade we'll take on USD JPY. These are trade on USD JPY during London section yesterday. You understand? During London section yesterday, this is a trade we'll take. You understand? And as you can see, 1 to 2 claim. But one mistake that I do, we put this particular trade on break even, and he hit me out before he go to our direction. That is the reason why I'm not going to put today's trade on break even. You understand? That's the reason why I'm not going to put today's trade on break even. Let it do its worst. Moreover, I've taken partial profit already, so I'll allow it to do its worst. I'll allow it to do its worst. Yep. Allow it to do its worst. Allow it to do its worst. So I'm expecting a question from you guys. Okay, boss, what was okay? Well, minimum deposit on Octa FX. All right, the last deposit I do on Octa FX, their minimum deposit is 33,000 naira, of which is that would be like 21 point something dollar. You understand? Minimum deposit on Minimum deposit on this thing. Oh, what am I saying? Minimum deposit on Octa FX is 33,000 naira. 33,000 naira. You understand? That's the minimum deposit on Octa FX. Then don't forget to use my link to register with OctaFX. And don't forget to use my link to register with OctaFX. It's on my description. You understand? Check any video that I post. You see my recommended broker, my recommended profile, and everything there. And all my social media handle is on my description. So any video I post, check any of my video. You see the link to OctaFX. Just follow the link and register with them, and you are good to go. And I think I told you guys, if the more you trade with OctaFX, the more they accumulate one particular thing for you, and you can use that thing to order anything you want. You understand? OctaFX deliver one order for me that particular time. I do a video about it, and somebody says it's a fake. I don't know why people don't. People know they believe me. I don't know. I don't know. They deliver one this thing package for me, and somebody say is a fake. You get somebody came might tell me that this thing gift that I get from OctaFX is a fake. Me, I will come and be living fake life for you guys online. Make I come dey live fake life online, so that whenever my real life show on social media, then I will be running haters, get crying up and down. Me, ah. You guys don't know me. You guys don't know who I be. So make I go live fake life online, so that whenever my real life show on social media, then I'll be crying up and down, looking for help. Not be me, it's not me. I can't come and be living fake life. Never, not because of anything. Never, never, never. I'll post something, you say it's fake. It's a fake. I'm faking it. So I'll be faking a gift OctaFX sent for me. That particular comment, like, it makes me laugh. Makes me laugh a lot. See, this is OctaFX. This is what this particular Jota joined that particular gift OctaFX sent for me. You understand? Not that I'm doing promotion for them, but because I'm trading with them. So if you are trading with them using my link, you stand the chance of getting this type of offer from them. You understand? I cannot just post anything like I don't know how people think. Maybe although there is a lot of fake social media, this thing, people fake their life on social media, but it's not somebody like me. You understand? It's not somebody like me. I cannot come and be faking my life, faking any lifestyle I cannot afford to live on social media. No. Anything you guys are saying is what I can afford to live. That's just it. That's just it. And that's just what people don't know. What was the gift? What was the gift, sir? Okay, the gift. Let me show you some of them. It's been long ago. It's since early January, abi December. Since December that they delivered that particular gift. Then the helmet. I get one helmet. I think I'll bring that helmet to my shop tomorrow. To my studio tomorrow. Then I'll show you guys. You understand? This one is part of the gift that they deliver. Free of charge. They will be it to you anywhere you are in this world. Like anywhere you are in Nigeria, they will be it to you. You understand? I'm in Nasarawa State, and they send this gift from Lagos to me. This particular Jota is part of it. This particular pen is part of it. Not that I'm doing a promotion for them. You understand? Just because I'm using their platform to trade. And their spread is very, very okay. Before I was using XNEX, but XNEX is a scammer. You understand? I cannot just come and be like telling you guys what I'm not using. XNEX is a scammer. You understand? Then let me show you what again they bring. Okay. You are the one that asks. You are the one that asks. I'm the Felix. See, this is how the package look like. I don't know if you can see it here. This is the package that they bring. This is what the guy think I can fake. This is what the guy think I can fake all time. You understand? The guy think I can fake all this. Like I will take my time, go fake, like go do all this thing just to post on social media. The guy think I can fake all this thing just to post on social media because of what? Because of what? Mm, because of what? This is the box. This is the box. This is the box. This is the box that they pack everything inside. You understand? Both things that they bring. There is t-shirt inside the package. There is jota inside the package. There is one this thing key holder, one key holder that I suppose hang in my car inside the package. There is a lot of stickers inside the package. There is pen inside the package. A lot of things, like plenty things. There is Nescafe, a pack of Nescafe inside the package. You understand? A pack of Nescafe 3 in 1 inside the package. A lot more. You understand? A lot more inside the package. You understand, man? A lot more inside the package. But the guy say it's a fake, that I'm faking it. I don't know why I will come on my this thing to be faking. I don't know what this thing fake life will do for me. I don't know what fake life will do for me. So I cannot just come and be faking anything for you guys. So, and the helmet, they deliver that helmet when safe. I will still check the date that they deliver the helmet, because I do skate. I'm a skater. You understand? So the lot I use on that particular platform, I use it to order helmets. You understand? Not my real money. The lot you use to take a trade, they'll be accumulating that particular this thing lot for you. There's a percentage they will be keeping for you. You understand? Any trade you take, there's a percentage they will be keeping for you. You use that particular, like that one is just like a gift for you for using their platform. Then when you reach anything, there's a shop inside OctaFX app. There's a shop there. When you reach a certain amount of things that you can be able to like that you can order, then you just order for that thing. Even if it is just $1 something that you order, OctaFX will be down to you. All my order, all of them, they send it from Lagos, and I'm in Nasarawa State. You know the distance, and I'm in Nasarawa State. So OctaFX is just very, very legit. They don't know me, I don't know them, but because I'm trading with them, they are very, very transparent. That's just it. So any other questions from you guys? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? Because I don't know anything. I do my analysis. It takes time for market to mitigate it, but for you, you mark fast setup. Unbeliever. Unbelievers go cry actually. Unbelievers go cry. That one is sure. Unbelievers go cry and coming. Please, just a minute, guys. A minute, just 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me attend to somebody. 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 Alright, 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 alright. I'm back. Hi, Jesus. Like, I locked myself. Somebody come to my studio to knock. Oh my God. Alright, guys. I think I'll see you guys in the evening. You understand? So, Mr. Emmanuel, please bring this your question in the evening. If you are active, let me see number one. Please, if you are active, let me see number one. Let it not be as if nobody is active anymore because of my up and down, up and down. Let me see if you are active. Let me see number one. Let me see number one. Let me see number one. Unbelievers go cry. Oh. That one is sure. Unbelievers go cry. That is sure. Unbelievers go cry. Better cry, sef. Better cry. So please let me see number one from you guys. Let me see number one so that I'll call off the live because I need to. Okay, boss, active. All right, all right, all right. So I want to play with you guys. I want to call off the live now to attend somebody in my shop. Then we'll come back maybe during evening. You understand? Anything 8 p.m. I'll be live here. Bring your question so that we'll solve it together. Bring your question 8 p.m. so that we'll solve it together. I love you guys. Love you guys. Sorry for leaving you at this point. You understand? I'm very, very sorry for leaving you at this point. Just as I told you guys, I have a shop. This is my shop here. The next door, that the next shop here is my shop, and this is my studio. You understand? So don't be angry. We'll come on the live stream in the evening again, 8 p.m. so that we'll rub mind together, bring your question, then we'll solve it together. Thank you. I love you all. Bye for now. Like, bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. I love you guys. I love you guys. Sorry for leaving you here like this. You understand? Sorry for leaving you here like this. Sorry for leaving you here like this. Please come in the evening. You understand? Come around 8 p.m. so that we'll rub mind together. Mm? Come in the evening. Thanks, we appreciate boss. All right. Come in the evening so that we'll rub mind together. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. So we'll call it a day for now. We'll call it a day for now. Leaving you guys is paining me, but I have no option. Let me go and attend to that particular person. He really need my attention. So bye. Love you all. Bye for now. Love you all. Bye for now. Coming live this live video. Oh my goodness. Oh my